I will demo how to create an integration, deploying it and debugging it, doing a Java debugging. So for that, in VS Code, you need to install the extension pack for Apache Camel by Red Hat. When you have that, you can call the command palette and create a new Apache Camel K integration file. I will use a Java file in my workspace folder, call it demo, and it is creating a file this way. So the next step is to we will modify slightly the root to be able to put a breakpoint, Java breakpoint. So I will import missing files, save it. Now I can start the application in basic mode. So we can see that it is deployed. I can put a breakpoint here. And if I right click on the deploy integration, I have a start Java debugger and Camel K integration. When I click on it, what is happening is that it is starting the integration in debug, and so I have my Java debugger connected to my Camel K integration. So here we can see the value of the data and the message, and inspect everything. And when I have finished, I can simply disconnect.